Package means kind of an envelope. You can see, create a package in dev region and keep all deliverable components in it. That means if you have to deliver 3 programs or something, whatever it is, you have to deliver 2 programs or 3 programs. What you will do is you have to create a package. There is an option of creating a package in Endeavor. You have to open the Endeavor. It's there in mainframe environment only. You have to go to the Endeavor option. There will be one option to create the package. So you have to provide a proper name of the package. So the naming convention depends on your project norms. Whatever your project follows, whatever naming convention it follows, you have to give a name like that, and you have to create a package. Inside the package, you have to keep all your deliverables. That means you have to add your items there. Okay. Move. This is the second part. Create a package in dev region. Move all deliverable components in the package. So why do you have to create a package? You have to deliver 2 programs, then why do you have to create the package? If you have to you have to post something from, you have to send something from Bangalore to Delhi, you have to send a book. If you go to DTDC and if you just take the book and tell them that can you please send this from here to Delhi to an address, will they send? They will not send. They will, what they will ask, they will ask for an envelope inside which you have to keep the book, and you have to give from where to where it is going, your address and to where it is going. Similarly, whenever you move an item, you cannot move the item directly. You have to create a package and keep the item inside the package. For example, if you are delivering 50 programs in a day, you cannot create 50, you cannot move 50 programs individually one by one. It will take you 2 3 days. For that, there is a shortcut way. Create a package, keep all the, move all the 50 programs inside the package, and move the package from dev to testing. So when the package is moved to moved from dev to testing, automatically all the 50 programs which are present inside the package are automatically moved to testing region. Similarly, whenever you have 5 books you want to send from Bangalore to Delhi, you don't have to send one book at a time. What you can do is you can buy a big envelope, you can put all the books inside, you can pack it very well, you give the address, and you tell them to send it, so they will send the envelope. So when they send the envelope, when the envelope reaches Delhi, inside the envelope, all the 5 books will also reach. Similar concept here also. So create a package. There's an option in Endeavor to create a package. Give proper naming convention, whatever your project follows. Then move. There is an option of move. You have to go to that option move. You have to type whatever program you want to move. I will show you the screenshots later on. And you have to move it one by one in the package. You have to, suppose you have 3 programs, you have to move all those 3 programs inside the package. Now, next thing is cast the package. Next thing is ship the package. Now there are 4 processes: create the package, move the deliverables inside the package, now cast it. So cast means what? Whenever you have moved all your items inside the package, the whenever you do the cast, it will check whether these items can be delivered or not. If whether there is a mistake, suppose you have missed to add something, you are delivering a program but you have not delivered something which is very essential to deliver the program, some copybooks or some layout of any file you have missed, the compilation is failing. Okay, is the not the normal compilation. In Endeavor also compilation will be done. So cast will check whether whatever you are delivering is good to deliver or not. If cast is successful, then only you can do the shipment. Shipment is a normal term, right? Shipment, everyone knows. Shipment means to move something from one place to another place. So similar naming conventions we have. Create a package, move all your items inside the package, cast the package, ship the package. That's it. All items, all options are present inside Endeavor. Create option is there. Clearly it is written create package. Just go to that option, give a proper name, create the package, inside which you have to give some what is that called, description, what you are doing. So delivery to a testing region, something you can write. Then you have to go to move option. One by one automatically this option which will come. Move option, give the program names, move add one by one in the package, then go to cast option, cast it. If cast is successful, then ship it. That's it. This is how you'll be able to deliver it to testing. Now when it is delivered to testing, when the testing people after testing they say that the program is working fine, same package you don't have to create the package anymore. Okay, in Endeavor actually packages should be created all the time. So same thing, same options will be repeated again in testing region to send it from testing to UAT. When in UAT the testing is fine, again you have to send follow the entire process to move the items from UAT to production. That is how it is done. This is as simple as that. Have you understood? Any doubt?
Sir, cast the package means, sir.
Cast the package means whatever items you have moved in the package, whether those are deliverable or not, whether it is possible to deliver them or not. Because in mainframe what happens is, if you are delivering one program, a program has many components. Suppose in a program it is using one file layout, okay, but the file layout is not correct, whatever you have added, okay, then the cast will fail. File layout is called a copybook. I will tell you this in the revision classes. So in copybooks we have file layouts. For example, in the program you the file the as per the requirement you have added one new field in the file that you have added in the program, but you missed to add it in the copybook. The copybook is getting used in the program. That is when the cast will fail. It will tell you that this is not this program is not using the proper version of the copybook. So there is a warning actually before delivering something to production. The mainframe only will tell you whether you are delivering something correct or not. This is where cast will check whether it is safe to deliver that or not. If you are if you are moving, if you are sending something from Bangalore to Delhi, if you are sending some what a liquid things are not allowed to send through courier or speed post, right? They will, because liquid things are not safe. No one knows what is there inside. So whenever you send something which is liquid, they will only give it back to you that we cannot send it. That is called cast. That means they're checking your items whether it is safe to deliver them or not. So
Okay.
that is how it will be delivered. When you move it to testing, so your development coding is done. So if you remember in the last class I told you in Jira we have some this these options, right? To do in Jira board we have this status. So now since your item was in progress, now you have moved it to testing region. Whenever you move the components with the help of version control tool to testing region, you can change your status for the item. You can drag it from in progress to in testing. Now when the UAT testing is also fine, when you deliver to production, you can move the item from in testing to done. So all the things are interrelated. You are doing something in the backend, in the mainframe, you are coding, then the item should be in progress in Jira. Then you have done the coding, you have moved it to testing, the item should be in testing, you have moved it to production, it should be done. That is how an item is considered to be done. Okay. Any other doubt? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now this is when the program is a new program. It is not existing program. It's a new program which you directly created in this library. Now, if it is an existing program, suppose you have to change something in an existing program. Okay, you have to do something in an existing program. So existing program is a program which is already there in production. You have to make some changes on top of it. That time what you have to do is you have to retrieve the latest version of the program from Endeavor to your dev library, because the latest program which is running in production, on top of that you have to make the changes. Program existing, this is called enhancement, this is called development. Enhancement means making some changes on some existing things. It may be a program or JCL, proc, control card, copybook, anything. Whatever it is, you have to retrieve. There is an option called retrieve in Endeavor. You have to go there. You have to give the program name or JCL name, program, whatever it is. You have to choose the latest version. You have to download. Retrieve means download the latest version from Endeavor to your personal library. Then you have to code. Then the second step will be make the changes, do the coding. Whatever changes you want to make, you have to do it here. Then the remaining processes are the same. Unit testing, then move it to testing region like this. Just one extra line is there, which is you have to download the latest version from Endeavor and make changes on top of it. The previous was scratch. That means the program is not there in your project, so you cannot download it in production. Download it from production, because it is not there. So something which is not there in production, how can you download? That is why you have to directly create, but this time it is already there, so you have to download it. On top of that, you have to make the changes, then you have to follow these processes. This is called version control tool. This is same in every each and every. This is the model which is there in IT industry. Not only this is, the tools are different, language is different, but the process is same. Huh? Any other doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt.
Okay. Okay, then tomorrow we'll do the remaining class. Tomorrow we'll do job scheduling tool, and then some ticketing tool is also there. So this two, yes. In Endeavor, if you log into Endeavor, in the first page or second page only, there is an option of retrieve. So you have to choose that option. You have to give the program name or JCL name, whatever you want to retrieve. You have to give that. Then there will be there will option to choose the version also. Which version you want to choose? The latest one. Choose that. And where do you want to download it? You have to give the library name also. Where you want to download it. Okay, your dev library. Give it. Submit it. Whenever you submit it, in the backend, one mainframe job will be submitted. If it is successful, that means it is successfully downloaded in your library. Okay, in all these processes, create packages normal, but whenever you move something, cast something, ship something, in all these steps, some jobs will be submitted in the backend automatically whenever you do these things. And those, whenever those jobs are successful, that means your items are properly moved, or cast or shipment are done first, done properly. Okay.
Sir, in Endeavor, there will be many programs.
Huh?
In Endeavor, there will be many programs.
all programs all programs of your project, all JCLs of your project, all procs of your project, all control cards, all copybooks, all components, all versions of all components of your project will be there in Endeavor. It may not be there in your library, but it will be there in Endeavor. Because whenever your program is project is running, it is running because everything is there in Endeavor. Your libraries are temporary. Dev libraries, these are temporary libraries we have created. Anyone can delete these libraries any day. Just put D and press enter, it will be deleted. But in Endeavor, you
So
cannot
for
delete anything.
every so for every project, there are separate Endeavor.
Every project has different Endeavor tool is common, but every project their own code is there, no? So they will have their own Endeavor, their own components will be saved in their own tool. You cannot see the code of other projects. Everything is separate.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is it clear, everyone? So if you understand the SDLC process, how the requirement comes, how we start coding, then how we use Endeavor, then tomorrow I will show you how to use job scheduling tool. This is also interrelated. Ticketing, everything is interrelated. All these four tools are interrelated. Then you will have a better idea of how a project runs. Tomorrow I'll complete this too. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye. Good night.
Right, sir.